Hi everyone, today I'm making banana cookies. This is very simple to make and very healthy as it is made by wheat. Now peel off the banana and mash it with fork. Now add oil. It is a normal vegetable oil. Now add melted butter, pinch of salt, vanilla essence, sugar. Now mix it till sugar doesn't dissolve. It takes a minute. Now add wheat flour. Always sieve flour before putting into the batter. Now fold it properly. Now when it is folded properly, add crushed walnuts, now when it is folded properly, keep it aside. Take a wrapping paper and put the batter in it. Now shape dough into a log. Wrap in baking paper and place in freezer for half an hour. Now preheat your oven in 180 degree from the both row. Now our dough is ready. Slice dough into slices. Now you need to be very careful that slices should be in the equal size. Now place slices on a lined baking sheet and bake for approx 15 to 18 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Now you can see our cookies are ready. Let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. You can spread and put 2 cookies together with Nutella or peanut butter as sandwich or eat it simply. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.